Welcome to our class Wiki. This is the place where we are going to use to cooperate, share ideas and work together. All the material of our lessons are going to appear on the first page. So just scroll down to see them day by day. Very important is the assignment part. Here, all the work done is going to be guided and you'll get to know what to do for the next lesson. The assignments part appears on the right of the front page as you can see it. So, if you want to see what you have for next time and what is the exact schedule, you just click on there. Here I have clicked on it on the assignment part and you can see what we have done day by day in all our lessons so far. Here is our first page again, where you can find all pages and files that we have available for the lessons. Here I'm going to show you how to upload our work or homework on our wiki. You can find the new sign on the left side of the page, on the front page, and next to it is the upload sign. You can just click on it and you can do it. The next movement is that it goes you to the place of your computer where you can search for your file to be uploaded. If you have, for example, the file on the desktop, you just browse there, you find it and you press the word Enigma. And here it is for you. On this picture here, you can see all the pages we have uploaded so far during the lessons. Here on the file Homework is where we upload our homework per lesson. And now how can you upload your homework for each one of the lessons? You repeat the same procedure. You click on the upload button again. You select the file from your computer and you press the word Enigma. Here you can see the examples of two files uploaded. The one is the glossary that has been completed as homework in one of our previous lessons, and the other is a photo of our school. As you can see, on the uploaded file, under each file you can see a part which says comments. Here it is the place that you can leave your comments or evaluate your classmates or the other team's work if needed. Now if you want to download a file for a reason, you just press the download button and you have your file down on your computer. And this is about all I wanted to show you. I hope it will be helpful for you and you will enjoy uploading and seeing the other schoolmates' work on our class wiki. Thank you.